Here we have a 2018 BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We have the blue M Sport brake calipers as well just behind. We have the Alpine white exterior paintwork, the LED headlights. We have the gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the gloss black front splitter, part of the full M performance kit which this vehicle has. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel, again unmarked. We also have the side skirt extensions along the bottom. We have the colour-coded door handles, the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top, we have the eDrive badging just there, along with the third alloy wheel, again in excellent condition. We have the gloss black rear spoiler just there, which sits nice and aggressive. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhaust. Take a look at the boot. So if we open it up just like so, you find we have a decent amount of space inside of here. Apologies about the sun. We have the storage net on the right hand side. We also have the charger just there on the left. Well handled just underneath here to pull the boot closed. But walking back around to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the final alloy wheel, and then having a look at the interior. So inside of here you find we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre, we have the fixed ISO points as well. We have the vents down there for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows on the doors. If you take a look at the front, again the full leather interior. There is a look at them front seats. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system on the doors. We have the electric windows and electric mirrors, tri-lock for the rear. We have the blue stitching along with the leather trim. We have the automatic lights, the automatic wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside, you find we have the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel. We have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there. High beam assist, as you can see. We have the dashboard in front of us, so if we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, and then the vehicle will start up for us. And you'll find we'll be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. So we do have the main screen here in the centre, which has the likes of the sat-nav. If any of the screens are flickering, then that's just the camera. They're not actually flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So on here you find we have the sat-nav. We also have a range of media such as the radio. You find the DAB, FM and AM radios, the USB, the Bluetooth audio. We have the CD player just there as well. We also have the phone connectivity. We have the different drive modes, so we have Eco Pro. We also have Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. Putting the car into reverse, you find we have the parking sensors just there. The camera will pick it up. Put it back into park. Further down we have the climate control here with the ice cold air conditioning working just as it should do. We have the gear stick just there, the drive mode buttons. We have the parking sensors. We also have the eDrive, so you click onto there, then you find that we have the automatic eDrive. We also have all these other options just here. We have the shortcuts for the infotainment screen. We have a manual handbrake, nice little leather armrest as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.